I hear people talk say Edo no be Lagos, but all the Ogbonge things I do as governor for Edo, na Tinubu I copy am from. Oshiomhole na him talk this one. Former governor of Edo State and All Progressives Congress APC senatorial candidate for Edo North Senatorial District, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, don talk say APC presidential candidate Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu get the brain and action to carry Naija go the next level. Oshiomhole talk this one for one of the campaigns for Edo North Senatorial District. Comrade Oshiomhole talk say when he be governor for Edo, he copy all the Ogbonge things when Tinubu dey do for Lagos, and this one come bring better development enter the state. Oshiomhole come see the people say for him to perform well for Senate, make them vote Bola Ahmed Tinubu as president for Nigeria.
Today, Lagos is half of Nigeria in terms of wealth. That is brain, thinking, and doing it. When I was governor, I used to say, I know they are ashamed to copy wetin good. I carry all my executive, I go Lagos. I say, Tinubu, how you take clear Oshodi? How you take rail revenue to be building roads? Because I know they shame to copy you. Who they shame, now they suffer. Waiting no break, then they repair them. I don't go London to copy waiting they here. Whether anybody like it or not, even the Oba of Benin say I'm the best governor I don't ever had. The Oba of Benin, he don't talk say because he say I even do for Benin more than Benin people. Oba talk by him. So I won't beg you now. He don't talk at village. Please, this is a teamwork. If I be senator, Tinubu not be president, he go hard. Because now opposition I go there for Senate. By the time we join to form APC, we are already 6. That is a man with vision, a man with courage. He wanted to create more local government. Obasanjo says no. He sees his allocation, but he did not seize his common sense. And he was able to survive. Now I be the Babele way there for Obasanjo hat. I didn't say I be fan of Obasanjo when I was president of NSC. Some of you know me that time. Yes. When I go say, stay at home, that old man cannot teach us. He's not the one who make us Nigeria. It's Nigeria who make you president. Not me today, oh. I will not deceive you people. Please, vote for Tinubu. Tinubu will do you proud.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC and your power. Not say I'm giving the politician on election day.